Hi guys, Kuya Leo po. It's July 16 and it's the birthday of my wife, Erlinda. And we'll be planning to go to the city, Melbourne, together with our two grandchildren and my daughter Hannah and AJ. So it's already 8:33 here in our place, and we are going at 9 o'clock and our train is 9:32. So watch out guys, and we'll be having fun at Chadstone. Yan po si Ma. Nasa Corio train station po tayo ngayon. Pupunta po tayo ng Melbourne at ang ating train ay 9:02 pa, so we have still 9 minutes here para mag picture kuhaan po natin ang kapaligiran ng train station. Yan po, diyan ka lang Ma, diyan ka lang. Yan po ang kapaligiran ng train station. It's a nature incline po siya, no? Alam niyo po, ang Australia ay ang beauty po niya ay sa nature. Yan po ang sakanan natin. Nandun po ang sun, at ito po ay ang kinukuhaan po natin ay part ng refinery. Yan po ang mga tanks. Saka yan po, andun po yung refinery. Oh, sandali lang. Yan na. Malapit na. Balikan po natin si Ma. Yan po. Yan. Kumakaway-kaway na po si Ma. Oh, pa-Melbourne po tayo para sa kanyang konting celebration dahil po kaarawan niya ngayon. So, watch out guys. Ternate Station. Arriving at Southern Cross at 9:59 at platform 4A. Yan po ang Southern Cross Station. Wait lang na. Nasa platform 13 tayo ngayon. Naghihintay po ng Metropolitan train going to Flinders Street Station. 5 minutes pa po at kumukuha muna tayo ng documentary dito sa inside the Southern Cross Station. Ayan po. Ayan, may mga nakukuhaan tayo na taga-ibang lahi.